G'day, it's Phil from PT Precision here again. We've got another Volkswagen Amarok in. We're doing the 680 package on it. We're going to be putting the stickers on this one. Well, the bottom row of stickers, he doesn't want the bonnet or the guard ones put on it. So I just thought I'd video. I mean, it's a nice looking car, other than it's raining now, but you know. But anyway, we might do a seconds run on this as well, from 0 to 100, and see. Last one got from like 9 seconds standard to 7 seconds. So anyway, we'll show you how this one goes. Okay, I'm just going to try and do a 0 to 100. It's not great weather, it's wet. I've got traction control off. It's just a second run, yeah? So from a standing start, go. It's still lagging. 30, 40, 60, 80, 100. That was it. That's a standard one, yeah? No wheel spin, no nothing, a lot of lag. This is in just the standard tune. I know it's not great weather. I've had the traction control off. There's no wheel spin, it just took off nice and smoothly. You can count the seconds on the little movie. So, and we'll put the tune in it, and then we'll do another run. Okay. I've got to say, we're just taking this up to do this quick run up in the area where I can go to. But this is, it really is. I mean, it's really dramatically different just driving this car around. You know, you can feel it like on the takeoff when just cruising. It's not lagging as much. It's really more responsive. So it has definitely livened this thing up. I mean, it's good. I like it. I mean, look at that. It's just instantly pulling, and I'm not even trying. So we'll see what it does with a 0 to 100. So, but I think you'd be really happy. I think if you got this done, I think me, yeah, you can definitely notice it. So I'd be quite happy about this. Yeah, we'll see what it does. Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100. Right, that's pretty good, man. I think it's hard to do it on a main road, but feels good. It really does lift. It lifts the front end up big time, so it is quite good. I'll just turn around here where it's safe. I'll just stop here. At 0, nothing. Go. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. That's a better run. I've got a clean run out of that, no one in my way. So it's pretty good. It picks the front up, traction control's off, everything's off. Still wet sort of conditions, but you know, it feels really good. You know, this thing. I think you'd be quite happy with this. The drivability of it, just cruising around, like, you know, you really get a shunt back, and it more noticeable than what it was on the standard tune. So this is the tune done. That's done. We've still got to do the stickers. Once the stickers done, we'll give you a look around those stickers. We're not doing all of them, not doing the wrap around on the bonnet or anything, but down on the lower guards and all the way back to the tailgate. Anyway, that's pretty good. Yeah, happy with that. Okay, so we've finished putting the decals and everything on. We've done the ECU programming and everything like that. So we've put the tune into it. This one's finished now, but we've got two here. One with the Walkinshaw 580 sticker decal kit on it, and who didn't want to put the 680 decal kit on. So I thought we'd just, whilst we've got them both here, you can see the difference between the two of them. So this guy's opted to not do all of the decals as well, but there's a decal across the back, 680, and a black strip. Obviously this is a black car, so you're not going to see the black. It's got a grey and a black. And then the decal here, it's a much bolder. I actually quite like it. I think it makes it look tougher, to be honest with you. Well, I like that, and this is the 580 stickers on here, so there's no up top part, it's just the bottom. So then down on it, I reckon, so if you stand back here, have a look between the two, quite bold, I think. The other decals that do come, they do wrap up and around the bonnet here, and he's opted not to get it. That's the only ones really that's not on there. Obviously the car's got to be washed, but anyhow, I think it's not a bad looking thing. I like that. That's the first one that we've added the stickers to. Personal choice, of course, but I like it. Yeah, I reckon it's great. It's a good outcome. Yeah.